Okay, so hello people. So today we'll be solving LeetCode DailyQuestion 279, that is perfect squares. And in this we'll be given an integer n. We have to return the least number of perfect squares that sum to n. And a perfect square is the integer that is the square. I hope that everyone knows what's that. And for example, in this case we are given 12. So we need three perfect squares that are 4, 4 and 4 that will sum up to 12. But in the case of 13, we just need two, that is 4 and 9, and we know these are perfect square and this sums up to 13. Okay, so this is a proper dynamic program question. So let's initialize a DP array of size n plus 1, and now let's fill this array. That array is dot fill dp comma integer dot max underscore value. Okay, so now what we'll do, we'll just keep a check that how many numbers are needed to reach the nth perfect nth number, like for example 2 3 4, or how many perfect squares are required. And we know that dp of 0 should be initialized to 0 because there is no way we can reach the perfect square of 0. Okay, so now for int I equal to 1, I less than or equal to n, I plus plus, and then let's initialize the J loop, that for int j equal to 1 and j into j should be less than or equal to I, and then we'll do j plus plus, and here we'll be setting the dpi will be equal to minimum of math dot min dpi comma dp of I minus j across j. Okay, plus 1 because we'll be increasing the count also. And then at the end we have to just return dp and okay, so it will store all the numbers that will sum to 12, the number of perfect square that will sum up to 12. Okay, and now let's submit it, and it works perfectly fine. Okay, so this is it for today. Thank you for watching.